Hi everyone. Today let's learn how to improve an essay scored 3 by the ETS to a score 5 essay. So the question is, what do you think is the most significant effect that watching television has on people? Why do you think television has this effect? Two students in the question respond as follows. Kelly said that it makes people inactive, leading to unhealthy weight gain, and Paul said that it broadens experiences. Now, let's consider this essay scored 3 by the ETS rater. Here are the rater's comments on the response. This essay is in the medium writing proficiency range. It would probably earn the score of 3 out of 5 based on the academic discussion scoring rubric, if converted around 20 out of 30. It is a mostly understandable contribution to the discussion. The writer provides a different point of view than either Kelly or Paul, arguing that TV makes the life more interesting. But there is quite a bit of repetition of the same idea. TV is fun and makes people laugh. Also, some ideas are unclear. What does the writer mean by as time is passing by in the third sentence? The writer seems unable to provide many clearly expressed details or to elaborate on the basic ideas, and so the contribution to the discussion feels only partly successful. There are noticeable errors in almost every sentence. So, this essay received a score of 3 for the following 3 main reasons: repetition, vague and unclear ideas, and frequent grammar mistakes. The reason it feels repetitive and vague is that it lacks specific examples after the general statements. For example, when you mention serious problems and accidents, the reader expects clarification on the types of problems and accidents. Similarly, when discussing music programs and comedy programs, the reader expects specific examples to support these general statements. However, the most glaring problem with the response is the language use. There are many grammar mistakes that evidence the essay's lack of proficiency. Additionally, the word choice is too informal. So let's mainly focus on the problems with the language use elements of this essay. First, let's fix grammar mistakes. This sentence makes the life more interesting should be makes life more interesting. The definite article the means specificity. So the life means some specific life of someone, but no such thing is mentioned. Because we are talking about life in general, not a specific life, we should not use the definite article. To learn more, watch Dr. Burns' video on the definite article use. The sentence, they make people laugh during watching TV, should be they make people laugh while watching TV. During should be replaced with while, since what is omitted is they are. To use during, it should have been written this way: they make people laugh during comedy shows. This sentence has problems. I think this is a big effect that television on people as time is passing by. First, the that clause, that television on people, needs a verb like this, that television has on people. Second, as time is passing by should be as time passes by, since it is a general fact, not a temporary situation. If you want to know more about when to use simple tense and when to use progressive tense, you can watch Dr. Burns' video on progressive versus simple tense. So this is the correct form. I think this is a big effect that television has on people as time passes by. This sentence has two problems: subject-verb disagreement in number and has the definite article misuse. People lives with the serious problems should be people live with serious problems. Lives should be live to match the plural subject people. Also, the before serious problems does not make sense since problems are generic, not specific, as the writer of this essay did not specify the problems. This sentence is not grammatical. People need something fresh and can entertain. These are several ways to fix the sentence. People need something fresh that they can be entertained with. People need something fresh that can entertain them. People need something fresh and entertaining. This sentence has the number disagreement problem. Televisions do these kind of works very well should be televisions do this kind of work very well. These kind of works should be this kind of work, since kind is singular, so it should be modified by singular determiner this. Additionally, works should be used as a singular uncountable noun to mean task or job. This phrase, through music program, should be through music programs. Most English nouns can be used as both countable and uncountable nouns. When used as countable nouns, they mean discrete, countable things, and when used as uncountable nouns, they mean uncountable mass. For instance, chickens means live chicken, and chicken means chicken meat. If you want to know more about noun countability, you can watch Dr. Burns' videos on noun countability on YouTube. In this sentence, program should be used as a countable noun to mean concrete TV shows. This sentence also has a number problem. Therefore, the television influences people's feeling much better. Just like people's life means people are sharing one life, which is incorrect. People's feeling means people are sharing one feeling, which is incorrect. Each has their own life and feeling, so it should be people's lives and people's feelings. This phrase also has problems with the comparative form. First, much better should be much more, since the phrase modifies the verb influence. Also, when you make comparisons, make sure what you are comparing with. We have no idea what is compared. Is it compared with other forms of media like radio or books or just non-TV? So it should have been like this. The television influences people's feelings much more than not having a TV. The television influences people's feelings much more than many other forms of media. There are also problems with word choice, making the response inappropriate for an academic response. These are examples of how to repair the informal phrases. Instead of so many, you could use numerous or a multitude of for a more formal tone. Replace very well with effectively or efficiently to elevate the formality of the sentence. And I think, while not necessarily informal, beginning sentences with and or but is often considered less formal in academic writing. And so on. This phrase is informal. Consider replacing it with and so forth, or simply omitting it for a more formal tone. Especially these days, this phrase is relatively informal. Instead, you could say, particularly in contemporary times, for a more formal tone. Instead of big effect, you can use significant impact or substantial influence for a more formal tone. Correcting these violations improves the clarity, formality, and overall quality of the essay. This is an essay that provides colorful details, making it engaging and persuasive. In my opinion, the most significant impact of television on people is that it provides the needed escape from the daily grind. Modern life is not so different from life 10,000 years ago. While we do not need to hunt for mammoths and bison daily, just like our ancestors, we still find ourselves engaged in repetitive routines necessary for survival and advancement. However, there are moments when these routines become overwhelming, particularly when faced with setbacks such as receiving a disappointing grade on a test. During these letdown times, TV can be a great solace. For instance, timeless sitcoms like Seinfeld offer viewers a lighthearted escape from the complexities of everyday life. The humor and relatable characters of Seinfeld provide audiences with a much-needed break from their worries, allowing them to unwind and laugh amidst their struggles. Moreover, television has the power to inspire hope and resilience in viewers by showcasing stories of triumph over adversity and reminding them that they are not alone in their struggles. In this way, I believe that TV contributes to people's overall well-being.